What's going on, guys? John and Brad with Best Price Nutrition. Be sure to check out our website at BestPriceNutrition.com. Follow us here on YouTube. Hit that subscribe button down below. Ring the bell. Check us out on YouTube, TikTok. We do a lot of giveaways. We just got done doing an animal giveaway this past Friday. Let you guys know about new products coming out and also cover some of the older products and some of the customer favorites that we have. But in today's video, we're going to be taking a look at a new supplement from Serious Nutrition Solutions. This is going to be a test booster, really popular category for guys, and especially now, like the Tongkat Alis and Fedojas. These ingredients are really kind of trending. S&S, awesome company. I feel like they've kind of been ahead of a lot of the other companies putting out a lot of the single ingredient stuff before everybody else did. They also have fat burners, nootropics. They got stuff in almost every category out there.
And the single ingredients that they come out with, it's not like
citrulline.
It's like actually like the cool, like the Paradox and Grains of Paradise. They got like the cool, weird stuff that you don't really see on its own.
They used to. I know a couple have gone away, but they used to have like the new Pep, which a lot of people really like, the Phenibit, and even still, they got a lot of interesting kind of muscle building single ingredients. This one looks pretty interesting. Clinical strength testosterone booster and libido enhancer. Seems like there's kind of a focus on the libido. It looks like a pretty good label here.
Yeah. So going down the list, there is Fenugreek at 500, and it looks like almost all of these are trademark versions. And usually the trademark versions are things that are a specific type of it that they use in studies. So just because you see ashwagandha in an ingredient doesn't mean that it's the KSM 66 that you see in studies. So when you see the trademark versions, that's usually a pretty good sign. It's usually a little bit more expensive. Fenugreek, 500 milligrams. Spilanthes extract, which standardizes down into spilanthols, which increase testosterone and also help your luteinizing hormone. Tongkat Ali, 300 milligrams, which I think is the dosage, right?
Yeah,
in that range.
300-400. That's pretty much the most popular, and I think the most proven in clinical studies in terms of boosting test.
For sure. Primavi, which is the trademark version of Shilajit.
You ever taken Shilajit?
I have not, but I've seen it for a while, and I know it is really, really good.
Yeah, I mean, it's great for immune health, testosterone levels, energy levels, and I was kind of excited. High Tech put out that Shilajit a while back, and it's one of the few on the market. So. Yeah,
and plus I think it comes from like volcanic something, right? It's much like minerals.
Where's Mount Everest at?
It's not America. It's in Nepal?
Yeah. So I guess it's like basically all the broken down plant matter and sludge over like thousands of years that kind of squeezes out through the rocks.
Sounds good. S7, which is like a greens type deal. I don't think that directly probably won't help with testosterone, but I do know that that does have good antioxidant effects, and I think a little bit of nitric oxide, which is really good, which may kind of play into part with part of the libido. So, if you're having issues, if you have ED or something, this may come into play where you get a little more blood flow. That could aid.
It's a popular ingredient in a lot of pre-workouts, so enhancing athletic performance. So if you're really looking to put on an athletic performance.
If you're looking to put on a show. 6 milligrams of boron, which we were just talking about. It's not crazy popular, but the people who use it, everyone who's coming to the store that I've seen use it is like a huge bodybuilder. So they seem to be doing something right. They're using boron. It helps free up your free testosterone, I believe.
A lot of the forums and things like that, everybody swears by boron. So that's something I've been meaning to look into a little bit more and potentially start taking myself.
Yeah. And then the last two, there's an optimized T absorption enhancement complex. 25 milligrams of estrogen, 10 milligrams of bioperin or bioperin. These two things are going to help you absorb everything a lot more. So all the milligramages that you see above, you get more out of it on top of the fact that they're trademarked ingredients. So this does actually look like a really good formula. It's not just set for boosting testosterone, because Fenugreek alone doesn't boost your testosterone, but it does help with libido and all of the effects that you get from higher testosterone. The S7, it's not specific to testosterone, but it's going to help with things. So it is a really good, well-rounded product that isn't just for testosterone. So probably more so as you're aging, I think that's what you're looking for, as opposed to some test boosters that are, I just want the highest number that I could possibly get.
Like you said, when you look at the label here, I mean, literally the whole label is all premium patented branded ingredients. So.
Yeah. And SNS, like we said earlier, is always ahead of the game. Really, really good. I know Steve Wood, the owner, he's a super nice guy. Every time I talk to him, we talk for a long time, and he's always very adamant about how clean and how he does things the right way, and he does do things the right way. So I would definitely stand by SNS and specifically this product. So if you guys have any questions about it, anything about test boosters, any ingredients, leave a comment below and we'll get back to you.
Yeah, we'll link down below to where you guys can pick this up off the site.
All right, thanks guys.
Later guys.